In 1967, what began as a vision in the heart of Pakistan has evolved into a global symbol of engineering excellence. With a legacy spanning over 5 decades, Rastgar Engineering has redefined manufacturing with precision, passion, and purpose. Trusted in over 62 countries, Rastgar delivers over 500,000 axle end components annually, from wheel hubs and wheel hub assemblies, steering knuckles and parts for special applications, each built for strength you can rely on. Innovation starts at the blueprint. Our R&D team uses industry-leading tools and software, handling everything from design, analysis, and testing using advanced measuring tools and simulation software. Every curve, cut, and contour is digitally validated to meet global standards. At our world-class Foundry, technology meets tradition, producing over 15,000 tons of ductile iron annually. Our automatic high-pressure molding lines and induction furnaces craft components with unmatched strength, complexity, and consistency. Every process is digitally monitored for real-time traceability and operational efficiency. Our advanced quality assurance labs conduct a full spectrum of professional testing, including chemical analysis through spectrometry, mechanical testing such as tensile, impact, as well as microstructure evaluation and non-destructive testing. These rigorous controls ensure every component meets international standards and exceeds customer expectations. Precision machining is our final signature. With advanced CNC technologies and automated workflows, we deliver concentricity, flawless finish, and process repeatability at scale. Because every part we ship is a reflection of our integrity. These stringent controls ensure our wheel hub and assemblies meet global standards and exceed customer expectations. Quality isn't just a checkpoint, it's a culture. Our digital quality control and quality assurance systems, powered by Mac Hub and Indago, provide real-time inspection, traceability, batch verification, and zero-defect auditing. We are certified and a proud founding member of the United Nations Global Compact. At Rastgar, sustainability drives our future. Over 65% of our energy comes from solar power, reducing our carbon footprint. We recycle to minimize waste and reinvest in our people. Our commitment also extends to disaster management, safety training, and regular fire drills to ensure the well-being of our team. Because progress means nothing unless it uplifts lives. Rastgar is a global business today with a vision for the future. We enhance the world through our products, people, and principles, precision in every cast, passion in every process, purpose in every promise. Rastgar Engineering, setting the world in motion.